Need even more dilution control flexibility in your mobile cleaning operations? Introducing SnapMix. Snap, mix, clean. No installation, no maintenance. Just snap onto any water source and start cleaning. Unlike other systems, SnapMix has two optimized flow rates, minimizing foam for spray bottles while maximizing efficiency for buckets and scrubbers. Hands-free continuous filling even further improves workflow efficiency. With SnapMix, get true closed-loop safety with no chemical contact. This complete line of cleaning solutions fits every facility need, from floor care to restroom cleaning, in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Snap. Connect the Quick Connect fitting onto any water source. Step 2. Mix. Choose your application by sliding to the appropriate icon for precise dilution. Step 3. Clean. Dispense into bottles or buckets. Lock for hands-free filling. Experience effortless mobile dilution control with SnapMix. To learn more, call 888-GO-BETCO or visit betco.com.